NETGEAR recommends using WPS setup when installing your range extender. However, if your router does not support this feature, you can install your extender using NETGEAR Installation Assistant. Once you have powered on your extender, open the Wi-Fi connection manager on your device and connect to the network named NETGEAR_EXT. Once you're connected, launch a web browser and navigate to www.mywifi.ext.net to launch the Installation Assistant. Make sure you're connected to your extender before navigating to this page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this setup. Your AC Wi-Fi range extender is now set up and ready to go.